Hey, today I want to show you a super quick way to create infographics in Canva, whether you're creating a bunch of infographics to post over time or one carousel post. You can post up to 20 different posts in a carousel post. Now, this is going to save you tons of time. This is a paid Canva feature, and this is not an ad, but I do love Canva Pro. It's totally worth the small investment every month and just the amount of time you're going to save by using the features. My two other favorite features are background remover and magic resize, but I could talk more on those in a different video. Today I want to show you how you can bulk import content ideas that you have written out somewhere else into Canva and then import them into a template, and it's going to create multiple pieces of content for you. So let me show you how it's done.
Start by creating a new design in Canva. So click create a design, and then you can choose whatever you want to click. I'm going to create an Instagram post. I like the square ones, you know that. So once we get here, you can create your own layout, your own template, or you can choose one that Canva has pre-made for you. So for ease, I'm just going to choose one. I've actually been using this one on my feed too. I really like it. So I don't like all the extras. I just like the background and the font. So I'm going to delete that out. And then what we're going to do from here, click apps in the left-hand menu and then type in bulk and search. And what it's going to give you is bulk create the app. If you haven't downloaded yet, you will have to download it. If not, it will be here. From here, you can choose to upload data or add data manually. So if you were uploading data, you'd have to upload it from a CSV file or an Excel file, which most of us don't create our content like that. So I'm going to upload it manually because I like to keep my content ideas in my notes on my phone. So when you click enter manually, it's going to give you this mock-up of what it can look like. So you're just going to scroll down to clear data, and from there, it's going to clear it off for you and you can create what you want. So I'm just going to name this post 1, and then I'm going to go to the notes on my phone where I like to keep my content ideas, and I'm going to copy and then paste that content into this data entry list. And don't worry about deleting any like space rows that it has there. It will actually delete them for you once you upload the content. So now that you have saved that content into Canva, you want to insert it. So you're going to click on the text that you want to insert it into. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to click connect data. And from here, back on the left hand of the screen, you're going to choose the data that you inserted. So we called it post 1. So I'm going to click on that, and then it gives you the option of all of it, or you could import just some of it. So I'm going to import all of it and create a post for each one of those pieces of content. So I'm basically creating a really long carousel post, and you can see that it has created it for me now. It's all formatted. It all looks nice, and I can just download it and post it to Instagram.
If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week. If you have like a specific idea of something that you would like me to show you how it's done, please drop it in the comments or send me a direct DM on Instagram at BrowTab, because I want to create more content that you want to see. Like I said, I put out new videos every week. I'll see you then.